Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today I am doing my April paycheck #1 budget. This is for April the 14th through April the 27th. So as usual, I'm in my Clever Fox dotted journal and I've written down my categories just to save a little bit of time. So I put off doing this video. It's currently Friday the 14th at 5 a.m. And I put off doing this video because my kiddos dropped off of my insurance. And I was expecting that my paycheck was going to be more than it has been in previous months. So I'm really excited. So my normal paychecks prior to today was $1,500 every 2 weeks. And I am really excited that my new paycheck amount is $1,550. So it's an extra $50, which is really exciting. I have to say, I was a little disappointed. I was thinking it was going to be more than that, but you know, $50 is $50. So that is really exciting to have a little bit of money, the extra to throw towards some of my financial goals. So my new income amount is $1,550. Okay, I did make a contribution to my Roth IRA. That was $250. Then I have my fixed expenses. I am setting aside half of my rent, which is $310. Half of the water bill is $25. And then half of the electric bill is $100. I find it easier to split these kinds of bills in half. So half this paycheck, half on the 28th, and then these will be fully funded for the next month. So then we have my daughter, Carol Ann. I give her $80 a week for an allowance. And so that's going to be a total of $160. And I moved her category up to fixed expenses because I'm just sending it to her through Cash App. So a few expenses that I wanted to briefly touch on that have not been in my budgets lately. The first is my phone. So I use Mint Mobile, and I am fully paid for the year until I think August of this year. And I have the 10 gig plan, so it's $240 a year. But because a couple of you used my referral link, which I do have down in the description box, if you are interested in trying Mint Mobile out, I do have a referral link. If you use my link, I really appreciate it because I get credit on my bill. And so normally my phone bill for the year would be $250, but as of right now, it is only $95 for next year because some of you have used my referral link. So thank you so much. It really does help me to stay on budget. So my phone bill for this month or this paycheck is $0. And I just wanted to touch on that since it's been a while since I've had it on my budget. And then Netflix and Hulu are also $0. I got some gift cards and these are paid up until October. So that is fixed expenses. So let's add this up. So $310 for half of my rent, $25 for the water, $100 for the electric, $160 for Carol Ann is a total of $595. Then moving on to my cash expenses. The first expense is food. And for food, I'm going to budget, I think I'm going to budget $100. So that's $50 per week. And the reason being is that I'm moving soon. I have a friend who has a rental that's going to be available in the next month or two. And I am going to be moving into that rental house. I really need to eat up what I have on hand. And as of right now, I only need two things. I need soy milk and coffee creamer, and that's it, which is going to be a lot less than, $50 for the week. So I'm going to do $100 for this paycheck, $50 per week, and hoping that I'll still have money left over from that budget that I can throw at my house savings. Gas for my car is going to get 0 because I have a full tank of gas. I haven't been going anywhere, and I don't have any plans to go anywhere over the next couple weeks other than maybe to go visit my parents, and I shouldn't need to fill up my tank again for quite some time. So nothing for gas. Lawn care is going to get $75 because my yard guy should be coming next week. And then cleaning ladies, they are going to get $100 because they will come this next week. So total for cash expenses is $275. And then moving on to sinking funds. First sinking fund is for my new grandbaby that is due in October. I am going to set aside $40. And my daughter and I, we were working on the budget for the baby shower, and it looks like we're going to be spending around $200 for food and $100 for decorations, and then I need to get a shower gift. So I can't remember how much I have in this fund right now, but I'm hoping to have this fully funded by the time the shower rolls around in July. Then I have fur babies, which is for vet visits, and that is also getting $40. Chewy's actually not feeling well. I think his pancreatitis is flaring up again, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to take him to the vet today. I think he needs to get back on the medication that they had him on before. The last couple days, like I said, he just hasn't felt well. So we'll probably be using some money out of fur babies this time. Then we have car insurance. I pay this every 6 months, and car insurance is going to get $40. Car maintenance will also get $40. That is for oil changes and just routine maintenance. Then I have gifts, which is for Mother's Day, Father's Day, birthdays, and Christmas. That will get $50. And so I'm bumping that one up just to make it a little bit easier for me to fully fund envelopes each paycheck. Last sinking fund is new, which is my moving category, and I'm going to add $40. So the moving envelope, I'm going to use this for the things that I'm going to need for my new place. For example, I know I'm going to need silverware, and I'm going to need plates, dishes, and some cooking, like a cooking set, like a frying pan, and, pots and pans, that kind of stuff. So that's what this is going to be for. And then everything else I'm just putting into house savings, and, if I need to pull from house savings to get my, the rental up and running, like for the electric, I'm probably going to need to pay a deposit. There's no, let's see, what else would I have a deposit on? I think maybe just the electric. But anyway, So I'm just going to lump everything else into house savings, and I can pull from that category if I need to. Okay, so for sinking funds, let's see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at $40, and that's 200 plus 50 is going to be 250 for sinking funds. Okay, so now let's see how much is left for house savings. So 1550 minus 250 minus 595 minus 275 minus 250 is $180, which is pretty exciting. That's a good bit of money. So I do have Etsy income from the last, I think, 2 weeks that I will also have for my savings challenge video. And then next Friday, the 21st, is when I have YouTube income that will be coming in as well. So, you know, $180 is definitely not all I'm going to have towards house savings. So stay tuned for those savings challenge videos to see how much I'm able to throw at house savings. Okay, well, that is everything from me. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. And I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.